Want to use Windows security on Windows 10? This built-in app gives you tools for antivirus protection, firewall security, safer browsing, and more. In this guide, I'll show you the main features and how to use them. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the dashboard. From here, you can access the main security features included with Windows 10. Start with Virus and Threat Protection. Here you can check your protection status, run malware scans, review protection history, and manage Microsoft Defender settings. For a basic check, select Quick Scan. Scroll to Virus and Threat Protection Updates and select Check for Updates. This keeps Microsoft Defender's security intelligence current and helps it recognize newer threats. Next, open Firewall and Network Protection. You'll see your active network and the status of Microsoft Defender Firewall. In most cases, keep the firewall enabled to help control unwanted network connections. Now select App and Browser Control. Review the smart screen settings for apps, files, and Microsoft Edge. These features can warn you about suspicious websites, downloads, and applications. Open Device Security to see the hardware-based security features available on your computer. Depending on your hardware, you may see Secure Boot, a security processor, or Core Isolation. Next, open Account Protection. Review your sign-in security and available Windows Hello options. If supported, a PIN or biometric sign-in can add another layer of protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection, review ransomware protection and controlled folder access if available. This can help protect important folders from unauthorized changes. Finally, open Protection History to review recent threats and actions. If you see an alert, read the details before choosing what to do. Don't restore a file unless you're confident it's safe. And that's how to use Windows Security on Windows 10. Check your antivirus, firewall, app protection, device security, and protection history regularly. Keep your system updated and use these tools as part of your everyday PC security.